Dentures were terrible. I hated them. You can only do so much to make a piece of acrylic fit your mouth. You know, you get a piece of food or something caught underneath that and you bite down and it's extremely painful. It made me feel old. We're going on about 6-7 months now with the permanent arches in. It's a completely different world from dentures. They're very solid. They're gonna last a lifetime. In fact, I think I brought an apple with me because that was one of the first things I wanted to do when they attached the arches, was to take that bite out of the apple and going, yes, I'm back to normal again. Yes, it is an investment, but it's well worth it, and it's a lifetime investment. Dr. Morgan is awesome. Very, very good guy, very friendly. Chairside manner's great. A straight talker, tells you what exactly he's gonna do and exactly how he's gonna go about it, and just a really, really, really friendly guy.
When Brett came in to see us, one of his main concerns was he wanted full mouth rehabilitation. So we took CT scans and we found areas where we could put the implants. We then were able to provide him with full arch supported by implant bridges that have worked very well for him.
I cannot speak enough of Dr. Morgan and the team here. They're great people. I just want to thank Grand Ridge Dental for giving me back my smile. It brings your life back.